Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we have something exciting and fruity for you. In this video, we will be learning the names of some delicious fruits in German. Our first fruit is apple, which is der Apfel in German. Der Apfel. Did you know that there are over 7,500 varieties of apples worldwide? Moving on to banana, which means the banana in German. The banana. A fun fact about banana is that they are technically berries while strawberries are not. If you don't trust me, Google it. Here is orange. The orange. The orange. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, making them a perfect fruit to boost your immune system. Say hello to mango. The mango. The mango. Mangoes are considered the king of fruits in many cultures due to their delightful taste and numerous health benefits. Next is pineapple, which means the ananas in German. The ananas. Pineapple are not a single fruit but a cluster of berries fussed together. Nature's delicious science experiment, right? Let's explore strawberry, which means Erdbeere in German. The Erdbeere. Strawberries are the only fruit that wear their seeds on the outside. Quite fashionable, don't you think? Our next fruit is papaya, which is the papaya in German. The papaya. Papayas are not only delicious but also great for improving digestion. Our next fruit is watermelon, which translates to the Wassermelon in German. The Wassermelon. Watermelons are the ultimate summer fruit with their juicy and refreshing taste. They are made up of about 92% water, making them a fantastic way to stay hydrated during hot days. One more refreshing treat on hot summer days is melon. The melon. The melon. Stay hydrated. Here comes kiwi, which is pronounced the same as in English. Their kiwi. Their kiwi. Kiwis are a great source of vitamin C. And the best part is you can eat the fuzzy skin too. It's packed with fiber. Say hello to coconut, the kokosnuss. The kokosnuss. Coconuts can be used for so many things, from cooking to making cosmetics. Versatile, you know? Moving on to blackberry, which means the Brombeere in German. The Brombeere. Did you know that blackberries have one of the highest antioxidant levels among all fruits? They are like little health powerhouses. Next up is blueberry, which means the Blaubeere in German. The Blaubeere. Blueberries are great for brain health and can help improve memory. Munch on these little blue wonders. Our next fruit is pear, the Birne. The Birne. Pears are delicious and come in many different shapes and sizes. They are also an excellent source of fiber. Here comes cherry, which means the Kirsche. The Kirsche. Did you know that there are over 1,000 different varieties of cherries? From sweet to sour, the cherry world is full of surprises. Let's explore grapes, the Trauben. The Trauben. Grapes can be eaten fresh or turned into wine, juice and even raisins. A fruit for every occasion. And last but not least, lemon. The Zitrona. The Zitrona. Lemons are not only tangy and refreshing but also have countless culinary uses, zesty and versatile. And there you have it, a fruitful adventure into German fruit vocabulary with English explanations and facts about it. I hope you enjoyed learning about this tasty tip and found it helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more language lessons and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for joining me today and I'll see you in the next video. Bis bald. Tschüss.